Hello friends, welcome back to my video. Today we are going to learn about assignment operators in Java. Now this video will be very short because there are not many much assignment operators in Java. There are two types of assignment operators, simple assignment operator and compound assignment operators. Now what are simple assignment operators? This is simple assignment operators means is equal to. Now, what is compound? Equals to is a simple assignment operator, and compound are like they are like a short form of arithmetic operations. Like, let me just give you an example. I want to equals to C is equals to C into B. I want to do these operations. So in shortcut, what I will do, I will do like this. This will also work perfectly. Let me just give. Uh, Let me comment this part and see what's the result of upper part. 600. Now I will comment this part and uncomment this part, and now I will run 600. Means this is the shortcut of this, and similarly with C plus equals to B, and similarly with all arithmetic operators and also modulus. That's it. This is the completion of assignment operator in Java.